Another day, another Gundam Converge. Let's pop over to the build desk and open it up. So this is the Gundam Converge that we have today. We have number series 22, number 260, and we have the RX-78-3 G3 Gundam. So when I check out on Sarugia sometimes, I like to put a couple of extra little bits in the basket, and those tend to be Gundam Converge these days. So let's open this box up and have a look and see what's inside. So with the bottom sliced open, because I like to try and save the boxes where I can, let's pop this figure open and have a look. So there we go, we have our little bit of soda flavour chewing gum there. So as I say, I haven't been finding these in all of them. I don't know if they've been taken out, don't know if I've stopped doing them. Leave that comment below if you know. And then we have the figure itself. So let's slice open this bag and have a look. Here we go, so we have the base as normal, we have the figure, so we have this part here, so this is actually to be able to create the last shooting post. I'm not sure how many of these RX-78-3 figures actually came with this part. Again, if you leave that, let me know down below. So basically just recreate it by leaving the head off and swapping the arm out to have that on, but I think I'm going to have the whole figure on display, so we'll leave that over one side. This part here, I don't know at this stage. Okay, so I'm guessing that something would normally fit into the bag. I'm guessing that this was a figure that came with a bazooka at some stage, and that's how you fitted the bazooka on. Okay, that back bit there has come off. Shield on. So I'll tell you one thing that I have noticed just while I'm assembling this. Now obviously I am not a huge Gundam Converge collector. I've only started doing them quite recently, but what I have noticed, especially with kind of backtracking from where figures used to be to where they are now, they have definitely improved, I think. The more recent ones that I've been unboxing just seem a little bit more polished. The connections seem a little bit better. They don't seem to have as many kind of mold lines and stuff on them, so I definitely think that they have improved on this line, definitely. I always like the clear eyes on these. They do look good. Yeah, the RX-78-3 G3 Gundam has always been my favourite, the favourite colour of all the RX line. I've always liked the G3 colours. I preferred it over the normal. My understanding is this is what it's supposed to originally be, but they said it wasn't toyish enough, so that's why they changed it to like the red, white, yellow and blue, so they could kind of make it more toyified. There we go, another little Gundam Converge figure there. So the G3, this is the reason why I went for the G3, not just necessarily because there's a Gundam Converge figure I didn't have, but as I say, I've always liked the colour scheme. Sometimes you get a slightly more purple version as well than this blue, so I think this is kind of sort of like the more traditional G3 colour where it's less purple, but the purple colour is quite nice as well. Yeah, there we go. Another fine looking Gundam Converge figure to put on the shelf.